Nighthawk community built by KB Homes. We're going to be previewing one model today, which is 1720. Let's get started. All right, this is plan 1720. 3 different elevations to choose from. Base price starts at $489,990. It's a 2-car garage, 2-story home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. And you're gonna have desert landscaping out front, pavers in your driveway, and pavers in your walkthrough area. We are about 30 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport, 35 minutes to the Las Vegas Strip, and roughly about 20 minutes from Red Rock Canyon. Now, on the outside, you have a covered patio right here, can lighting right above, side gate to your backyard. Let's walk in. And this specific home, this is their smallest model plan. There's gonna be 6 different plans to choose from. This will be a gated community, and lot premiums start off at 0 to 54,000. There's 192 homes being built in this community. 40 have already been sold. So right when you enter the home, to the right, down this hallway, here's your coat closet. And here is the half bath. Very nice home for a family that's starting off buying their first home. Right here to the left is your garage. So this floor is upgraded to the tile. 9-foot ceilings, first floor, and 9-foot ceilings on the second. To the right is the staircase to go to the second floor. We're gonna walk right here. Lots of natural light in this home. Right here is your kitchen. You got the granite countertops. You have a large island. 4 by, looks like 9 feet. You have 3 bar stool seating, stainless steel sink and faucet. All right, guys, and if this is your first time to the channel, you want to know everything there is about new build homes in Las Vegas, then subscribe to the channel, tap that notification bell so you can be the first to learn about any new builds on this channel. All right, and right here, guys, is the pantry. Decent size. You notice that there is no cabinet handles, so that's something that you will have to add on your own. Refrigerator not included, but all other appliances will be, such as your dishwasher, your built-in oven, built-in microwave, and your stovetop. Dining table seats 6 people. And you have this dual sliding panel door to the backyard. Average lot size is about 3,300 in square feet. You have pavers on your covered patio area. Just letting you know that the covered patio is additional upgrade option. It doesn't come standard with it. Side of the yard, close to the mountainside here in Summerlin West. You have beautiful views of the Las Vegas Strip. I'm going to show you guys right here. You get to see the Las Vegas Strip from this end. Here's the outside exterior. To the left side, here's your AC unit. And we're going back in the home. Living room area space right here with the sectional couch. Small coffee table. A pre-wired fan on the ceiling. And just want to remind you guys that we get calls every single day from people just like you. So people that are looking to move to Las Vegas in 7 days, 3 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us. And we're happy to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. All right, we're gonna get to the second floor. And splits left and right. We'll start off on my left. First room. Look at these views, guys. So close to the mountain. You got the community park right across the street. Lots of lots still available. Got the next bedroom right here. Another view of the outside. Also guys, having a realtor represent you in new build purchases costs you nothing, so it's great to have someone represent you. And let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Here is your laundry area. Washer, dryer not included. Full bath. You have a single sink and you have a vanity on the left. Small window. And you have your shower tub combo with your toilet. Now let's look on the opposite side of the house, which is where your primary bedroom will be. You also get these small windows right here, and it's like a mini loft section. You put a mini couch just like this with a coffee table. Then you have your TV display set up right here. And then you have this small linen closet. Primary bedroom. Carpeted area. Free wired ceiling fan. Here is the view from the back of the house. Las Vegas Strip way over there. Beautiful day out today. And here is your primary bath. You have dual sinks, white countertops. This is like a dark brown cabinet, walk-in shower. We have quartz backsplash, prefabricated flooring with your bench. Linen closet, toilet on the left, with your walk-in closet right here. And this is a pretty good size walk-in closet, carpeted area. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the home tour. Thank you for watching and see you guys on the next one.